How to fix YouTube screen rotation not working. Hey everybody, welcome back. If YouTube won't rotate your screen to landscape, follow these quick fixes in order to uh, rotate your phone to landscape. First thing you need to do is make sure you've turned on the auto rotate option. Swipe down on your control panel and then you can find the auto rotate icon right here. Tap on it and tap on this toggle to turn it on. Once you toggle it on, you have successfully turned on auto rotate. Now you can go ahead and tap on YouTube to turn on auto rotate, and then you can just go ahead and flip your phone sideways to turn on the full screen mode. Now if this doesn't work, then you can rotate the YouTube from the full screen button at the bottom right. So just go ahead and tap on the bottom right button and it's going to take you to the full screen mode, and you can tap on it again to exit out of the full screen. Then you can also try to restart YouTube app from your recent apps. Swipe up from your your recent apps. Now to clear YouTube, you can just swipe up or just tap on close all. Once you've cleared the app, you can check for any updates or clear cache. So for that, long press on YouTube, tap on the I button, go to storage, tap on clear cache, go back quickly, go to view app details in store, and once it opens up in your store, make sure that your YouTube app is up to date. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version and you're going to be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.